I respectfully honor their sentiments, but only tell them, please see to it that the House is allowed to function.
Well, fiery scenes from the Rajya Sabha. Remember, 16 opposition parties, with the exception of the Trinamool, have met the Rajya Sabha chairman Venkaiah Naidu over the suspension of 12 MPs for the entirety of this parliament session for their misbehavior in the previous session. They have said that the suspension is against parliamentary laws. Rules do not allow for punishments to be carried over into following sessions. And if this is not revoked, then they intend to boycott the session. And in fact, moments ago, that is exactly what has happened. Opposition members walking out of the Rajya Sabha in protest against what they are saying is the deeply contentious suspension of 12 opposition MPs. Protests in the Lok Sabha have forced that house to adjourn also until 2 p.m. this afternoon.
The crops were ready for harvesting were destroyed. It is estimated that 1.85 lakhs hectares of agriculture and horticulture crops have been damaged. In totality, according to the preliminary estimates, the loss caused to the crops and infrastructure has been put at 6,054 crores, sir. Sir, despite sincere efforts of the government of Andhra Pradesh in conducting the rescue operations and undertaking relief measures in the affected areas, the current situation on ground needs center's assistance. In the hour of crisis, it is...
यहाँ कोई सदन में कोई सामंत प्रभु तो नहीं है, ये कोई राजा और प्रजा का तो पार्टी नहीं है, ये देश प्रजातांत्रिक है और ये प्रजातंत्र की सबसे बड़ा पंचायत, महापंचायत कहिए, ये सदन है। यहाँ कोई जमींदार ये राजा नहीं है कि हम बात बात में इनको पैर पकड़े और माफी मांगे। ये माफी मांगने का क्यों ऐसा ये जबरदस्ती क्यों माफी मांगाने चाहते हैं? क्योंकि इनके हाथ में शंका है। ये सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि ये एक तरीके की ये बाहुबली सियासत हो रहे हैं। इसको हम बहुमत की बाहुबली आराम से कह सकते हैं। ये बहुमत की बाहुबली के दौरान इस तरीके की हमला हो रहे हैं। ये हमारे लोकतंत्र के लिए बड़ा खतरा पैदा कर रहे हैं। ऑपोजिशन वालों ने यूपीए की सारे साथियों ने हम लोग ये मिलकर फैसला किया था कि राज्यसभा में...
All right, we've just been hearing from the leader of the Congress in the Lok Sabha, Sunil Prabhu, joining us at this point with the latest on that. Sunil, the Lok Sabha now adjourned until 2 p.m. The Rajya Sabha is carrying on, but all opposition members seem to have staged a walkout. Is this really setting the tone for what the winter session of Parliament is going to be all about?
That's right. It's really a situation. Just to keep you updated, the opposition has walked out. The reason for the walkout is because the leader of the opposition had raised the concern about the fact that one way or the other, they wanted the revocation of those 12 members of Parliament for an incident that had taken place. He put his point forward, requesting the Speaker, the chairperson of the Rajya Sabha, to revoke that decision. But Mr. Venkaiah Naidu saying that this is a continuous house, this is a permanent house, and because the members have not shown any remorse, there is no question of revoking this suspension of the 12 MPs. He says this is not a decision of the chair, but a House resolution. The opposition wanting to protest, starting slogans, but ultimately not being permitted. And then Mr. Venkaiah Naidu saying they have every right to walk out. They walked out, and clearly the confrontation between the government and the opposition is not ending. They definitely would like their voice to be heard, but in the present situation, things have reached a new low with the chairperson making it clear that there is no question of revoking those 12 members of Parliament. And it's in that backdrop we'll have to wait and see what happens. The Trinamool Congress still continues to be present in the Rajya Sabha, which is an interesting development, not joining the walkout of the Congress and 16 other parties who are protesting against secession.